Alright you guys, I am headed to the gym for an early morning spin class. I just have on this top from Shein or Fabletics, I'm not sure, and my pants are Fabletics Sculpt Knit leggings, and then I just have on these super cool MNDs from Adidas. They're like the red and black edition. I think they're so cool. I think I'm just gonna toss a hat on because my hair is a mess and get going. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was such a good workout. I feel like so much better. Like I woke up in kind of like a funk and I'm feeling good. So morning workouts are where it's at. Alright you guys, I just got home and I walked in and there was a package on the doorstep. I'm seriously so excited. We're gonna do a little unboxing, but first I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm so sweaty and like I just needed to wake up and everything. But oh my gosh, what a great workout. Definitely my favorite way to start the day. I forgot to share with you guys where my coat is from. This is from Shein. I call it my workout gym coat because it's so big on me, but I love it. It's just like this big black puffer. It has a hood, and I was kind of thinking when I got it originally, like if I go running outside or something, I would wear this coat. It's perfect for fitness. Absolutely love it. I got it in a size small, but like I mentioned, I'm gonna go shower. I'm like out of breath from today's workout, but it was so good. Okay guys, I just finished doing my hair and makeup. I want to show you guys my outfit real quick, then we're going to do this unboxing. I'm seriously so excited. Oh my goodness, I haven't had my hair straight in so long too, so this feels so weird. Like I feel like I've just been wearing it curly all December, but I kind of like it. So this is the look. I seriously love how simple it is, and this sweater is by far a favorite this season. Love it. It's from Lacoste. It's like a ski sweater. I think it's so cute. I love like the sleeves. I think it's just so fun. My jeans are from Abercrombie and Finch, so they're just the high-rise super skinny, and then I just have on one of my favorite pair of booties that I wear all the time. So that is today's look. I'm gonna clean up my makeup and then we're gonna do the unboxing. So I got my PR package. We're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm seriously so excited about this because it came just in time for the holidays. So it came in this really cute Pixie packaging. I'll have Pixie linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. Like this, and it says, "Hello beautiful, here is a delivery directly from our Pixie boutique just for you. I want to gift you a box full of treats for perfect glowing skin. Please enjoy some of our favorite products. Happy holiday with love from Petra and the Pixie team." And it has this little bag in here, you guys, just like this. I love it. And inside is a box of multi-toning products. These are gonna be so fun for Christmas, and they're just so sparkly. And then there's one more little package in here that looks like this, and it's just like this little makeup bag with some of their products. So we have a glow tonic, a glow mud mask, and a glow mud cleanser, and I think there's some makeup remover wipes in the back. This is seriously so stinking cute. Thank you so much, Pixie, for sending this to me. I'm so beyond grateful, and I can't wait to share and use these products. Seriously, so thoughtful. But that is what I got in the mail today. I had some Etsy orders come in earlier that I need to make some custom bracelets for, so I thought it'd be fun to make those with you guys. And then we're gonna run to the post office, get those in the mail, and then I need to film like 2 videos today just to get ahead on a Vlogmas. I can't believe Christmas is already like 6 days away. Like I feel like this month is just like zooming by. It's so crazy. But I just hope you guys are having a great December so far. I hope you guys are done with school by now. Like I feel like finals ended so long ago for me, so hopefully if you're going through finals, I'm wishing you the best of luck with those. But we're just gonna head over to my desk and start making some Etsy orders. Just finished up packing this Etsy order out for Sarah, so thank you so much, Sarah, for shopping my Etsy. Again, my site is linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. But I'm gonna grab a coat. We're gonna run to the post office real quick. I don't really have any other errands to make, and then I need to get filming and editing for today. I need to get this vlog up. And yeah, so that is a little update, and I'm just so thankful, grateful for all the sales on my Etsy this season. It's been so crazy. You guys have been so supportive, so thank you so much. I just can't express that enough, so thank you, thank you, thank you. But I'm gonna get a coat. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and we're gonna run to the post office. I have been obsessed with this coat. It's so cute, and it's like a faux fur in the inside, so it's super warm, but I feel like it just looks so good with this outfit. And then I just grabbed my Teddy Blake handbag that I've been using. Obsessed with it. It's like perfect bag for any outfit in the winter time. So we're just gonna head to the post office. Alright, you guys, so I just got back from the post office. I'm gonna head over to my desk to start editing because this vlog is going up today. It is Vlogmas Day 19. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button. And I seriously had so much fun bringing you guys along with me throughout the day. After editing this, I'm going to have dinner with my fam. We're getting pizza tonight, and then I'm probably just gonna sew to make some more handmade scrunchies for my Etsy, which is linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. But that wraps up today's video. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 20. Bye guys!